the question banks. The question bank allows a teacher to create, preview, and edit questions in a database and then use them either in the quiz or lesson activity. Questions are organized in categories and subcategories, similar to the way files are stored in folders and subfolders. These categories may be limited to being used on the site, on the course, and on the quiz level. We are going to explore how to create a question bank, then proceed to add questions to the question bank. These questions then can be added into a quiz, which we are going to demonstrate in this tutorial. So how do we access the categories? On your course, go to the More link, then click on Question Bank. In the question bank, you are able to create categories. In the questions drop-down, select the option Categories. Then click the option Add Category. Give your category a name. I'll call mine Category A. You can put in category information, then click Add Category. So we have our category A and it has no questions. In the next step, we want to see how to import questions into a category. To do this, I'm going to introduce you to a new concept, the Aiken format. The Aiken format is a very simple way of creating multiple choice questions. This text file is formatted in a specific way. So the text file is formatted this way. You put the question, the choices, and then indicate the keyword answer, which should be in capital letters, colon, then the correct answer. So this is how you structure your questions in a text file. Put a space, then proceed to put in the second question. Note that the Aiken format only works for the multiple choice question types. Once you've formatted your multiple choice questions in this manner, you can save your text file in a location which you can easily locate. So that is my sample text file. We want to import these questions that we have formatted in the Aiken format from our text file and store them into our category which we have created. To do this, we come to the categories drop-down list and select the option Import. Once you select the import option, remember we are using the Aiken format. So select it and specify it under the file format. Under the General, specify the category you created so that the questions are going to be imported and stored in that category. Remember our category? It was called Category A. So select it. You can unselect the option of Get Category from File. Then import questions from file. Choose a file. Remember our file which we created, the sample. Okay, pick it and upload the file. Once the questions have been uploaded, once the text file has been uploaded, select Import. The questions in our question, the 6 questions are imported and then click Continue. Note that our category, which was Category A, now contains 6 questions. Remember, I noted that once you put in questions in a category, you can then add them to a quiz. Let us go back to our course and go to a specific quiz which we had created, which is Quiz 1. In Quiz 1, we can import the questions into the quiz. To import the questions into our quiz, we click the question menu from our quiz, then click Add, then select the option from Question Bank. We pick our question bank, which was category A, and we will be able to see all the questions from within our question bank. We are able to select all questions or select specific questions. Once you've picked the questions of interest which you'd want to be added to your quiz, select Add or click on the option Add Selected Questions to Quiz. In this way, our questions are added into our quiz and the students are able to attempt. So in summary, we were able to create a category in the question bank, create a file format of our questions called the Aiken format, upload the questions into the question bank, stored into the category we created, and then put the questions into our quiz so that the students are able to attempt it.